In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an animated number counter to your Wix website. This eye-catching feature can be a great way to showcase statistics or milestones directly on your site. To start this process, you'll need to open your Wix Editor in Chrome. Chrome is generally recommended for its compatibility and speeds, which helps ensure a smooth editing experience in Wix. So make sure you're logged into your Wix account and your editor is up and running on this browser. Once you're in the Wix editor, navigate to the specific page where you'd like to display the counter. It's always a good idea to have a clear vision of where your new element will make the most impact. Deciding its placement on the page helps guide visitors' eyes naturally to the information you want to highlight. Now, look towards the left-hand side of your editor workspace and find the Add button. Clicking on Add will open up a menu with a variety of elements that you can incorporate into your site. Scroll through these options until you locate More. Under More, you'll find various additional functionalities you can integrate. But what we're interested in today is the HTML iframe. Click on HTML iframe to add this element to your page. The HTML iframe acts as a container for your customized code, which in this instance will be your animated number counter. A quick search online will provide you with code scripts for free animated number counters. Ensure you pick a script that aligns with your website's style and functionality needs. Once you have your script, copy it and paste it into the HTML iframe. This action bridges your site design with personalized coding capabilities, empowering you to integrate this attractive number display feature. After inserting your code, you'll want to adjust the size and position of your HTML iframe so that it integrates harmoniously into your web page. The Wix editor is quite flexible, allowing you to drag and drop the frame until it's perfectly placed. Get creative here and consider what looks best visually. The adaptable sizing also makes it easy to fit the counter into various layouts without disrupting other elements on your page. Before making these changes live for your audience to admire, you'll definitely want to preview your site. The preview feature allows you to see your page as your visitors would, ensuring everything operates seamlessly and looks just as you intended. This step is crucial. It's the perfect opportunity to make any minor tweaks without affecting your live site. Having confirmed that everything works beautifully and looks impressive in preview mode, you're ready for the final step, publishing your site. Once published, your audience will be able to interact with this engaging new feature. That's it. Now your Wix website boasts an animated number counter, adding a dazzling dynamic touch that helps communicate important data effectively. Thank you for following along today. Keep exploring your creative potential with Wix, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.